The laws of human stupidity, a legal and sociopolitical analysis of social decline through irrational action. 1. The prevalence of stupidity. It is a common delusion of the educated that stupidity is uncommon. This is false. According to the first basic law of human stupidity, always and inevitably, everyone underestimates the number of stupid individuals in circulation. Superscript 1. The law is not a generalization, it is empirical truth masquerading as satire. The phenomenon is global and class agnostic. One may attend the opera, a hedge fund meeting, or a street protest, and yet will be similarly outnumbered. Footnote. The first law identifies the ubiquity of stupidity across all levels of society and warns against complacency and expecting rational actors. 2. Stupidity is independent of all other traits. The second basic law states that the probability that a person is stupid is independent of any other characteristic of that person. Squared, this means there is no statistical correlation between intelligence, wealth, education, gender, or political affiliation and immunity to stupidity. A Nobel laureate may be as stupid as a contestant on a game show about mud wrestling. The only certainty is the randomness. Footnote. This law emphasizes that stupidity is demographically and intellectually egalitarian in its distribution, no group is exempt. 3. Definition and classification of human behavior. To define stupidity legally and economically, Sociopolitical offers a matrix of human behavior. The helpless, actions harm themselves, benefit others. The bandit, actions benefit themselves, harm others. The intelligent, actions benefit both parties. The stupid, actions harm others and themselves. Cubed. Super stupid individuals go further, they inflict greater damage upon themselves than their victims. These individuals are not simply irrational, they are existential hazards. They are the financial equivalent of lighting cigars with your mortgage documents. Footnote. The third law classifies stupidity not by IQ but by outcome, damage to self and others with no rational incentive. 4. The underestimation of stupidity's damage. Non-stupid people consistently underestimate the destructive power of stupid individuals. The fourth law warns that dealings with stupid individuals, no matter how benign they appear, infallibly turns out to be a costly mistake. For the two key variables in the destruction caused by a stupid person are their baseline level of stupidity, their social or institutional power. A stupid person in a position of power is a walking legal liability. Their existence in high office represents a systemic failure, not an individual anomaly. Footnote. This law presents stupidity not merely as an annoyance but as an exponential threat when paired with institutional authority. 5. The institutionalization of stupidity. The fifth and final law states, a stupid person is the most dangerous type of person. 5. Their unpredictability and irrationality make them more hazardous than bandits, whose self-interest at least provides a logic to exploit. Through mechanisms like elections, bureaucratic inertia, and appointment systems, societies regularly place stupid individuals in positions of influence. Democracy, ironically, accelerates this process, as mass suffrage permits the stupid majority to elect candidates that reflect their own cognitive disrepair. Once in office, these leaders reproduce stupidity through appointments, legal decisions, and cultural influence, ensuring systemic degradation. Footnote. The final law outlines stupidity's institutional entrenchment and how democratic processes unwittingly facilitate it. 6. Decline of the intelligent class. Although stupidity remains constant as a percentage of the population, social decline correlates with a drop in intelligent leadership and a rise in helpless and bandit behavior. Government policies that insulate citizens from the consequences of their actions reinforce helplessness. Meanwhile, capitalist glorification of wealth acquisition at all costs incentivizes banditry. In this context, stupidity becomes the gravitational center pulling everything into cultural entropy. Footnote. This section argues that social collapse becomes likely when intelligent individuals are outnumbered by those acting helplessly or maliciously,